All Matrice 200 remote controllers are linked to the aircraft before delivery. But if the aircraft status indicators flash yellow quickly, and the indicator on the remote controller is solid red, then the remote controller needs to be linked with the aircraft. There are two ways to link the Matrice 200's remote controller. Linking the remote controller with DJI Go 4. Connect the remote controller to the mobile device. Power on the remote controller and the aircraft. Launch DJI Go 4. Tap the RC icon at the top of the screen and enter remote controller settings. Then select Linking Remote Controller and tap OK on the Link RC prompt. The remote controller will beep DD and the indicator will flash blue, indicating the remote controller is ready to be linked. The remote controller will be primed to link for 60 seconds. Open the port cover at the rear of the aircraft and press the linking button. The button is also the linking status indicator. Then the linking status indicator will flash red quickly. The linking is complete when both the aircraft status indicator and remote controller indicator turn green. Linking the remote controller without a mobile device. Power on the aircraft and remote controller. Then press the C1 button, the C2 button and the record button at the same time. When the remote controller starts beeping, press the linking button on the aircraft. Ensure that the firmware of the aircraft remote controller is upgraded to the latest version. Check the remote control settings before the update. If the remote controller is in slave mode, then the linking will not work. Please set the remote controller to master mode. Thank you for watching.